So how do you fix when a text message, an SMS, is not delivered on the iPhone? So what you probably see is a red indicator or like red icon saying that the message just failed to be delivered. In this situation, you need to at first pay attention to your reception and the signal, because you might see that perhaps you are in an area where the coverage isn't as good, or you might have the airplane mode turned on, in which case it just means that you won't be able to connect to the cellular cell towers and you won't be able to send the SMS message. Another thing to do is to check the recipient's number, because it might happen that you made a typo unknowingly or you've got the wrong number and it just cannot deliver to them. Perhaps that number doesn't exist. So you always want to double check that the number is correct and ready to be used. If these minor glitches are still happening or appear to be there on your iPhone, a good idea is always to perform a simple restart of the device, just to fresh everything up. And then you can also just take a look at the software update to see if any new iOS version has been released, and perhaps some things might be fixed with a new version. Also, one other option which I would recommend you to do, and this applies to whether or not you are using the iMessage as well as the SMS text messages, well, it is to set the send as SMS as turned on in the settings. So let me show you how it works. You open up the settings app on your iPhone. At the bottom, you tap on apps, and from the list, choose messages. And there you have the option to send as SMS, which means that if you are using iMessage, which is over the internet, and if that fails, what you can do is to set up a backup method of using the cellular SMS messages to use it for your text. So if iMessage fails, if the internet is no good, then the backup method will be used. So this might be something which you are interested in. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Let me know below what's going on with your device. If you have more questions, go ahead and leave them there. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you in the future videos.